Hi viewers, I have a new review to you guys. This one is the C129 B2RC helicopter, 4-channel remote control helicopter. I just get this one domestic. Supposed to be, most of the time you get this one internationally. Mostly they sell this one in China, but I'm lucky to get this one domestic. Now let's open it. So you can see this one, it's sealed, and let's cross a finger, hopefully this one it works. So I spend a little bit more when you get in domestic. Is more little cheap when you buy it on China. So but the seller, it's they have a very high good feedback. So let's do it and open. So they have a very good padding here when they mail it, very safety. I'm not sure if this one it's a copy of this popular C129. So I have this one for a long time. So let's give this one a shot, open it. This one. So now is here. So in our front, so this one, it's 15 minutes flight time, altitude control. It says there C129B2, 6-axis gyro 4-channel series. So the age limit for this one, it's 14 above. It says there RC era. So there's some nicks to the box, but the seller, this one, it says is new. So I compared to my other Ichin box. So this one is the new one and this one is the old one. They're about the same box, the same thick. So I'm saying that this one is, maybe it's a copy. And the only difference is the way they fly. So let's start to unbox this one really quick. So they still have some. So let's cut this one here. So here we go. Now we already have access to the box. So for regular unboxing, you always see the manual. So it says there user manual, RC era, C129B2. So that's how you use they have some parts there. How it moves, your remotes. Put this on the side, and they have a very thick front package there, so it's thick. Now we are in our unit here. It looks like brand new. There's no any nicks there. So how you insert the battery, there's an arrow from back going to the front. They do some 3D, but there's access in a transmitter. And move this one a little bit and compare to the, so it's exactly the same as the E129, you can tell. So the only difference is how it plies. This one is just only ply regular, and this one they ply 3D. But if you can see, the canopy and everything is the same. And let's check the battery if the same as the other one. So here's the one in the left. It's the C129, and the one in the right is a new one for C129B2. They're very identical on size. Hopefully I can use this old one from this new one. I think it's completely the same. So now I have a backup battery so they can use it. So it's the same, so I'm positive. So let's try this one later. So put the old one on the side and put the new one back. And here's some propeller, and then give you some tail rotors there, and give you some screw and a little tiny Allen wrench there. And this one is the charger for the USB. There's not that much part. And last is the remote. So that's the remote. And the tail rotors, let's compare it. So it's very positive. This one, it's exactly the same as the old one. They only changed the name. I upgrade this one. I put some support there to make the tail rotor safety when you crushed it. So I just gonna planning to put here also soon. So let's give this one a shot. Put the battery and try to roll this helicopter is work. And I just gonna give you some follow up outside when there's not that much wind, but not today. I just spin it in the ground if this one's work. Let's do it. So to insert the battery, just follow the polarity for the transmitter. So The one with the spring, this one's negative. And the one no string, that's the positive. Okay. And put the battery in, the cover. And put this one in the ground there. So I think to put this one is on, I think you can do vice versa, either way. So fellow, to make sure I give you how to put the battery in, let me take it out the canopy up, so that I give you some idea how to put this one in. You can see that 3 connection there, so you can just, and there's some arrow there, so make sure follow that arrow going up to touch the 3 connection there, from that one to here. So just insert it, so make sure align it good and insert. So now it connects. So I'm not gonna put the canopy on, so that you can see how this one is, how to bind it. So it's there. You can see the light is blinking. Put this one away, so make sure the grommets is not gonna peel on you, or else it's hard to find that one, the rubber grommets. So now either way, you can switch the transmitter first, or you can put the battery on first. So either way, I think, to my experience, you can do both. So put this one on. So you can see it's on. Now this version, it's right throttle. So you can just put this one up and down, and wait until this one is solid red, and put this one a little bit forward, so that I can show you how that one is spin. So to make that spin, you can put this one, 8 o'clock. Okay, let's do it. So it spins. See, it's right there, it spins, right? And when you pull this one down, it stops. So you can press these buttons to the right for automatic take up, and they have some switch there. This one is on 2, but I'm gonna put it in 1. So 1 beep, it is 1 speed. 2, you in the second beep, second speed. And 3rd, you are in a 3rd speed. So 1 beep, 2nd beep, and 3rd beep. You can tell, because if you put in 2, there's a 2 beep. If you put in 1, there's a 1 beep. See how smart the one they do this helicopter. Is a very basic remote, but this one you can do 3D just pressing this left arrow there, pushing up, and after you hear that beep, it's gonna flip. At least you can, the maximum height that you can flip this one is at least 3 meters. I think below 3 meters is not gonna do it, because this one is designed from 3 meters above before it flips. I think they can detect it if it is low 3 meters. It's not gonna move to the 3D. So one more, just press it again, both sides, 4 and 8 o'clock, and it spins. And stop it. So that how easy to apply this RC era B2 version. But most of this design is left throttle, but this one's on the right. So you have two choices if you buy it in AliExpress or Banggood. So I'm not connected to this RC helicopter. I just do this one for review so that you have idea when you want to buy it. So let's see you soon to apply it outside and do some 3Ds. This one's only unboxing. And thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel. Peace. I'm out.